Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to investing, it can seem overwhelming at first. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple and effective investment options to kickstart your journey. First up, we have index funds. These are a great way to get diversified exposure to the market without having to pick individual stocks. They track a specific index like the S&P 500, so you get a piece of all the companies within that index. Next, consider ETFs or exchange-traded funds. Similar to index funds, they offer diversification but trade like a stock on an exchange. They're flexible and can be a great addition to any beginner's portfolio. Now let's talk about bonds. These are essentially loans you give to governments or corporations in exchange for regular interest payments. They're generally safer but offer lower returns compared to stocks. Real estate investment trusts or REITs are another fantastic option. They allow you to invest in real estate without actually owning property. Plus, they often come with high dividend payouts, adding a nice income stream to your investments. Finally, don't forget about a high-yield savings account. While not technically an investment, it's a secure place to park your emergency fund and still earn some interest. So there you have it. Index funds, ETFs, bonds, REITs, and high-yield savings accounts. All solid choices to get you started on your investment journey. Remember, the key is to start early and stay consistent. Happy investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.